So one of the initiatives that the UNESCO has is dealing with looking at the impacts that climate change has on groundwater resources. And this is first of all to identify what are the impacts of changing climatic conditions on groundwater recharge, on groundwater quality as well. But also looking into the options of more using groundwater as a means of climate change adaptation, using tools such as managed aquifer recharge, which is a way of, well, considering that we are expecting an increasing number of extreme weather events, longer droughts, increased number of floods, to use the water when it is available, to store it underground in aquifers, and then to be able to use it again afterwards in drought conditions. So to give a more stable and a more secure water supply to people, especially in rural zones. UNESCO has been much involved also on the international legal side. There is a UN General Assembly resolution on the law of transboundary aquifers that has been put in place in 2008. And that is the first time that there is an international law instrument that provides guidance to member states on how to manage their shared groundwater resources. I think the work that IAEA is doing and UNESCO is really complementary, because IAEA is providing very necessary tools and information about the origin of water, about groundwater flow directions, which is a central part that is needed for water resources and specifically groundwater resources management. So there is a long history of, I think, very successful cooperation. We have, well, activities in the same area, and they are designed in a way that they are complementary. That UNESCO is, well, dealing with some parts which are also scientifically the basis, but also on the institutional and managerial parts. And IAEA has been contributing very specifically the isotopic information, so providing a sound science base for the work. Little by little, the transboundary aquifers have been identified, and in collaboration with regional and national experts, they have delineated clearly the boundaries, which is one of the bases also for this project, because we're looking at 5 specific transboundary aquifers here. So the boundaries of those have been identified previously, and some of the hydrogeological characteristics, as well as also socioeconomic conditions, legal, institutional frameworks, have been assessed.